Hello there! Today we will be making a fire engine. Well, this sounds very exciting. Let's see what do we have in our book. We see a very interesting fire engine here with 3 steps. Let's start with the first step. Yes, we will start by drawing 4 dots and then join them together. It almost looks like a square, isn't it? Let's go ahead by making a smaller line, which is a standing line away from this, and then start by making a slanting line towards the square, after which we will make 2 curves like this. Can you guess what part this is? Yes, this is for the wheels, you're right. The next thing we do is join the top part and make the skeleton of our fire engine. Now we will start by making the intricate details inside. Let's start by making these lines and then the headlamps. Well, if we make it in an angular way like this, it seems that it is protruding out of the truck. Hence, let's start by making it this way, wherein it feels that it is coming out of the truck. Yes, from the front part. This looks very interesting in a perspective, and yes, it does look 3D if we make it in a certain way. For example, the way we are making the wheels is giving it a layering. Hence, it looks 3D in nature. Let's make the front part of this now. And then give it a beautiful sleeping line design. Yes, the engine of it. And then let's make the headlights. Repeat the same step on the other side. The next thing we do is make its window. Yes, the front glass window. We will keep it a little blunt on all the 4 sides and then make a slight slanting line in the center. Yes, after which we will start by making its windshield. And now, let's start by making its extended version, which is on top. Yes, we will start with its windows and the doors. And then, let's make its side mirror as well. Remember that we are seeing this entire fire engine in a perspective. Hence, it is going to be a little bulky or fatter in the front and it will start getting a little thinner at the back. So, you need to make it that way as well. Make all the intricate details slowly. There are quite a lot of important things in this. Try and make sure that you do not miss out on any of them. Let's make these sleeping lines on the body. Something like this. That looks interesting. Yes, let's make the doors and the windows properly. Now, let's try and make the back part of it. Yes, which sort of has a ladder. Can we make this together? That looks lovely. Continue making all of these standing and sleeping lines. And now make the part which is on top of the fire engine. Yes, the ladder which usually extends. Make it slowly and nicely. And now let's make the back part. Yes, which is joining the ladder right here. Now we will start by making an inner line inside this part. And then start by making all the zigzag lines. Yes, of the ladder. Give it all the finishing touch-ups, and after that, start by making these lines. Yes, we will use a micro-tip pen in order to make all of these lines. Do not forget any of these intricate details and make the back part of the wheels, which are only visible a little bit. And now comes the time when we start sketching the entire drawing. Let's go ahead and sketch it nicely. Well, yes, we are going to sketch the entire drawing right on top of the drawn parts. If you feel there are a few parts which does not need sketching, please feel free to drop it. Other than that, let's finish sketching for the entire truck. If you feel that you want to make these standing or sleeping lines with the help of a scale, you can do so. Well, all of these parts which are very thin in nature will have to be done with a micro-tip pen. So please keep a micro-tip pen ready with you. We are sketching this entire drawing first as we are not painting this. We are going to use color pencils to finish the entire coloring for this one. Erase all the additional pencil marks you see, and then start by coloring the entire thing with the help of a pencil color. Once we are done with this yellow band, we will start by doing a dark maroon color at the bottom. And after that, let's start by doing the red color with it. Yes, we will be blending both the colors together. Let's go ahead and color this part in sleeping line. But remember, you need to always do the outline of these parts slowly and nicely. Press the color for a darker shade. We will go ahead by coloring all of these intricate details slowly. Do not miss out on any part which is red in color and color it slowly and nicely. After which, we are going to use silver color for the front part. Well, if you do not have a silver color, you can also use grey color. It is advisable to use pencil colors for this one as we have very thin areas to color. Hence, pencil colors will give us that space wherein we will be able to color these thin parts precisely. Let's do these parts black. And then continue coloring with black in this area. After which, we will be doing the entire thing with grey color or silver color. This looks great. Go ahead by coloring black here as well. And then release the pressure so that we get a lighter shade. This looks very interesting. Release the pressure and color lightly. Give this a shade of black as well. And then do the back side of the mirror. This looks interesting. Let's make two standing lines here with the help of our microtip pen. And after that, color this part with silver color or grey color. After which, we will take a dark grey color or a black color and do this part. And finally, use our blue color for this one. Let's keep a few spaces in the middle white so that we can show the glare of our light. This looks interesting. Let's fill in these gaps with yellow color. And then the rest of them with red. Finally, give it an outline with silver color. And then do this space black. And look at that, our fire engine is ready.